How to transfer your crypto tokens, specifically Polygon Matic tokens, from your Binance account to your Metamask account. So first, log into your Metamask account, then make sure you are on the Polygon mainnet. There are actually many other networks on your Metamask account, but please make sure it's on the Polygon mainnet. And once you are in your Polygon mainnet, copy your wallet address, which is this one here. So we just need to copy this. Let's go to our Binance account. We need to go to our wallets. Go where your Matic tokens are stored. Maybe it's in spot, maybe it's in funding, but for me, my Matic tokens are located in my spot wallet. And then click on withdraw, and then choose Matic. Choose send via crypto network. In the address, copy and paste what we just copied from our Metamask wallet. And then this is very important. There will be also multiple networks. Please make sure that the network you will choose here will match from that in your Metamask wallet. So let's choose Polygon. Let's hit the withdrawal account. Minimum is 10, so let's try that. So there will be a network fee of 0.3 Matic. That's why we will only receive 9.7 Matic tokens. So withdraw, and then confirm. An email verification code will be sent to you. So as we can see, withdrawal is already processing. So estimated completion time would be around 5 to 10 minutes from the withdrawal.